Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to translate web pages in Zen browser with this complete 2026 guide. If you visit websites written in different languages and want to read them in English or your preferred language, this tutorial will help you. So let's get started. First, open Zen browser on your computer and visit any website that's written in a foreign language. Once the page has loaded, check whether your version of Zen browser displays a Translate Page option. If it does, simply click it, choose your preferred language, and wait a few seconds. The browser will automatically translate the entire web page, making it much easier to read and understand. However, if you don't see a Translate Page option, don't worry. Some versions of Zen browser do not include a built-in translation feature. In that case, you'll need to use a translation extension. Open the browser's Extensions and Themes page, search for a trusted translation extension, install it, and enable it. After that, refresh the web page and use the extension to translate the page into your preferred language. Using a translation extension is a simple and effective way to read websites from around the world without leaving your browser. It can help you understand news articles, blogs, shopping websites, and other content written in different languages. And that's it. That's how you can translate web pages in Zen browser. I hope this guide helped you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Zen browser tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.